Hey friends, if you encounter critical error on your start menu and the start menu isn't working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now there's no fixed resolution to it, so if it doesn't help you solve the problem, don't blame me. But obviously the penultimate one is to reset your system. I'll mention it here. Reset Windows. Okay, but we'll try other options before going to this one because it needs a lot of time. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Select open recovery settings. Okay, this isn't configured in my case, so I'll configure it and then I'll create a test. Okay, we are creating a restore point. You have to create a restore point, but once it is created, you can straight away go to open system restore, click on next, select a go to restore point, click on next and finally click on finish to initiate the process. Okay. Now the third solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. The next solution is clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Check any other service. Click on disable all. First of all, and then click on apply and then on OK and then select restart. The last solution is to reset Windows because all of these solutions may or may not work. The last and penultimate solution is to reset Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, select reset PC, select remove everything, select cloud download and reset your system to default using cloud download. Don't select local reinstall because we do not want to reinstall the same version of Windows. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further.